Ripple's XRP price has experienced massive growth in the past year, gaining nearly 351.4%. Will it hit $1,000? Is it a good investment option? Will Ripple make you a millionaire? Make sure to watch the video till the end to know more about this. But first, we are giving away $25 at the end of the month to one random subscriber to start their XRP journey. All you need to do is like the video, subscribe, and comment your thoughts on XRP in the comments section. Welcome XRP Army! Let's grow the XRP Lab community by pressing the like button and subscribe. The blockchain technology world is evolving quickly, and Ripple Labs is in a top position to drive finance to adopt distributed systems, except for the firm's litigation. When Ripple and its co-founders sold XRP in 2012, the Securities and Exchange Commission charged a non-registered securities offer. There are two key issues in dispute between both parties: whether XRP is a security and whether the SEC provides a fair warning to Ripple that the sale of XRP would be considered a securities offering. Whether or not XRP is a security, the judge dropped a bombshell back in March when nothing was agreed yet. XRP is that it has a monetary value and a utility, and that differs it from Bitcoin and Ether. Concerning the fair notice argument, this is currently the most controversial topic on trial, which might cause the SEC and its enforcement division the most damage for several years. If the judge determines that the watchdog has failed to offer adequate notice, the judgment can be utilized in similar lawsuits by future cryptocurrency enterprises. Interestingly, the SEC utilized this as a frightening approach to encourage the court to not give up the defense of fair notice. However, Ripple says the complaint is anything but akin to the regulator's previous enforcement measures. One of the important items is that Ripple had XRP in place when the digital asset was sold, instead of other companies that had initial coin offers to seek funding to create their blockchain goods and services. This leads to the question, how does the SEC justify Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP? This caused Ripple Labs, which Judge Sarah Netburn approved, to urge the regulator to submit its internal documentation. Despite the demand of the judge, the SEC continues to refuse to disclose that information. The judge could order the monetary sanctions if the regulator remains non-cooperative. The SEC had requested more time before June to investigate the case against which the accused contended they had ample time before filing the litigation, and because Ripple wanted, as soon as possible, to move for a summary judgment. Recently, Ripple said the SEC did not prove to be a good reason to prolong the discovery, and an extension would unreasonably damage Ripple's company. And this is probably the objective of the regulator, to put Ripple's business at risk to the best possible deal. Not as other defendants are Ripple Labs. It is heavily funded and appears to have an unprecedented case, claiming the lawsuit might lead to a fair communication defense win. This is probably the SEC's most feared result. Therefore, the regulator will do anything to prevent the lawsuit from being delayed to affect the business of Ripple. Once the case is over, the blockchain firm will also be made available. That can be done if the dispute's ended, but a settlement for Ripple and its digital assets might cost Ripple many years to stop the XRP flow into the market. If a settlement happens, XRPs from Ripple could end up as an EOS from Block 1. After a settlement with the SEC in 2019, this latter just resolved a class action suit. If Ripple decides to continue the proceedings, the road can turn rockier and finally lead to a result similar to Telegram. For the time being, the judge extended the SEC to conclude the investigation. The judge extended the period for the SEC to its completion. SEC has now been rapidly discovered before 31st August, pushing expert discovery to 15th October. A new competition has arisen. There is a new worldwide network for decentralized payments in the city. 6 Clovers is named and led by 2 former PayPal personnel and an early Ripple employee. It's being advertised as a decentralized transboundary payment network combining SWIFT with traditional and digital currencies. But Ripple Labs is the same thing. The infrastructure connects banks, retailers, and payment providers in digital currencies worldwide, integrating payments in real time, using digital currencies' efficiency and scale. The company was formed by the former PayPal business and technology leaders Jim Nguyen and Naz Garvian, alongside BCW Group and the Super VL Group, one of Argentina's largest banks, and angel investors as the lead investor. Constructed on Algorand, the 6 Clovers payment network is dubbed Rapid, which is the same as the original Ripple net name xRapid.swift. The leading protocol for transboundary paid accounts is ready to fight its competitors. Since that time, it's been developing its Swift GPI, a powerful blockchain product, to address the most popular CBDC market. The launch of 6 Clover's Rapid is fantastic news, as it demonstrates that the market is worth taping and that the technology has matured to give superior services in the field of financial services. Rapid updated Algorand's blockchain time-tested payment capacity with regulated stablecoins, including USDC, to represent money on-chain, enabling instant value transfer from sender to receiver. The network can sustain about 46,000 peer-to-peer transactions a second, with the tightest worldwide data privacy regulations confirming completed transactions in approximately 2.5 seconds. 6 Clovers also offers RAMP, a single API connection for on and off fiat ramps using worldwide ecosystems payments and services. 6 Clovers, in conjunction with Rapid, offers a complete platform that connects fiat to digital currencies. In his remarks on cryptocurrency and blockchain, Gary Gensler, as crypto's chief, wavered between censure and praise. He called in a recent CoinDesk interview with cryptocurrencies and blockchain as an innovative irritant and a catalyst of change. He also emphasized the necessity to bring the Federal Reserve into the current era of payments and advocated the implementation of SEC legislation to secure the protection of investors in digital currencies like Libra. However, he had a hard time talking of initial coin offerings, ICOs, and introducing unregulated exchanges of bitcoins in state agencies. At its 2018 MIT conference, Gensler said that securities could be considered for Ripple's XRP and Ethereum's Ether, ETH-USD. Events have since clarified that Ether is decentralized enough to not be classified as a security. Former Commissioner William Himon explained, however, the SEC scanner still has Ripple's XRP. Gensler stated back then that the courts would eventually decide XRP's destiny as security. The event's already in progress, and his agency will decide its fate very much. Some of the losses in the previous session were recouped by the Ripple prices as the knee-jerk response of the Fed fades away. The hawkish surprise of the US central bank has brought the US dollar to its peak since mid-April. More risky assets like Bitcoin, on the other hand, plummeted. The dip is based on the fact that increasing interest rates create an investment risk mentality. It then operates for cryptocurrencies as a bearish catalyst. However, for Ripple's price, the wider picture is encouraging. The hawkish tone of the Federal Reserve is built on an ongoing US economy recovery. In this scenario, the popular crypto market will undoubtedly include more purchases. As an alternative to Bitcoin and Ethereum, demand for Ripple will subsequently grow. Besides this, a new report by Ripple, the payment giant, examines how blockchain technology can improve the efficiency of this profitable business. Ripple explores how small and medium-sized firms, SMEs, could improve their transnational systems of payment through the use of blockchain technology in a report entitled Big Opportunity in Small Business Payments. Ripple study shows that although this market is $10 to $15 trillion, small and medium-sized enterprises do not have an infrastructure for cross-border B2B payments in emerging nations. The research from Ripple says that intermediaries' involvement in existing global payment procedures complicates the process. SMEs do not themselves believe the present methodologies are enough. 71% of small and medium-sized enterprises report crucial payments. Business-to-business payments are, according to Ripple, the average for 2 to 5 days for payment, costing $30 to $100 or more, and having an international payment inaccuracy of 4 to 6%. Blockchain technology can step in and enhance cross-border payment mechanisms for SMEs, says Ripple. The other signal that points towards a healthy rally include the increase in the XRP holders, despite the price plunge. Nearly 46,000 new users have been added to the existing 396,000 holders who hold XRP between 1,000 to 1 million. Moreover, the increased social volume also suggests a decent uptrend coming shortly. In 2021, Ripple's future is bright. We can see that XRP is reaching new heights, with continuing advances both in the XRP ecosystem and in the global crypto markets. Prediction for bullish XRP is $4.67 2021. Some analysts predicted that it might even hit $10 if investors have concluded that XRP, along with major cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum in 2021, is a smart investment. With this growth, Ripple's XRP will reach the 4-digit mark, that is $1,000 soon. Kindly note that the prices of cryptocurrencies frequently change, so by the time you watch this video it might have changed to a whole new value. The information provided in this video does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the content as such. The content in this video is for educational purposes only, and hence should not be considered financial advice. Do conduct your due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Do you invest in XRP? Let us know. If you want to continue to know about XRP, we have 2 videos waiting for you on the end screen to check out. Make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video, my friend.